So I wanted to now show you like kind of if statements in a useful program. So if we were to use this one, you'll kind of get a sense of what I mean. Where is it? Copy. All right. So computer, if we run the program, the computer looks at the first instruction. It sees that we're trying to put something inside a variable named message2. It looks to the right, sees input, so it knows it's asking for user input. Looks inside the brackets to figure out what the question is. It says, "Are you a boy?" So then it displays. It shows on the screen. Oh, whoops. Are you on the black box? Are you a boy? And then it waits for the person to answer. So I'll write boy here, and then press enter. When I press enter, the computer takes my answer and puts it inside message2 as a word. So oh my God, message2, and then the word boy, my answer, into message2. So now it goes to the second instruction. It says if message2 equals boy. So it's saying if whatever is inside message2, if whatever is inside message2 is the word boy, then do this. So then the computer in the situation looks inside message2 and finds the word boy. And so then since it's true, it does this. It displays what up, dude. Now let's make it a little bit more complicated. We look at the first instruction. It says message2. It knows we're trying to put something inside the variable message2. Looks to the right, sees input, so it knows it's asking a question, so it displays it on the black box. Are you a boy or a girl? So then the person answers this question and presses enter. So say they wrote boy and press enter. The computer would put the answer into the variable message2. So boy would be put inside message2 in this example. So it looks at the first one, for a second instruction, it says if message2 equals boy. Excuse me. So if whatever is inside message2 is the word boy, then do this. So it looks inside the word message. The computer looks inside message2 and finds the word boy. So this is true. So then it does this. So then it displays the words what up, dude. Okay, this is all done. So then it moves on to the third instruction. It says if message2 equals girl. So if whatever is inside message2 is the word girl, then do this. If whatever is inside message2 is the word girl, so the computer looks inside message2 and it finds the word boy. So boy is not girl, so then it doesn't do this. But if we were to go back and answer this again. We see message 2. Let's start the program again. See the equal sign. We know we're putting something inside message 2. Look to the right, see input, so it displays the words, are you a boy or girl? Say the person answering it says girl and presses enter. Now now this answer goes inside message 2, the word girl. So then we go to the second instruction. It says if message 2 equals boy. It looks inside message 2 and finds the word girl, the computer that is. And so girl is not the same as boy, so then it doesn't do this. Then it moves on to the third instruction. It says if message 2 equals girl. It looks inside message 2 and finds the word girl. So this is true. And so then it displays what up dudette instead. Cool. Okay, so just reminding you, whatever is put inside. Yeah, no, never mind. I've covered this a lot, and we don't have to do that again. So, okay. And then we're gonna copy this. So the computer looks at the first instruction. It sees message 1. We're trying to put something inside message 1. It looks to the right, sees the input, and knows it has to display something on the screen. It displays the words, how old are you? And then the person answers. So let me write my answer, 28, press enter. And then the answer is put inside message 1. So message 1, look inside. The word 28 is put inside message 1 because that's my answer in the situation. So the second one, in the second instruction, sees the equal sign. It knows we're putting something inside message 1. It looks to the right. It sees the int. So int is when we're trying to make a word into a number. So it looks inside the brackets to find out what we're turning into, what word we're turning into a number. It sees message 1. It looks inside message 1 and it finds the word 28, like here. So then it turns the word 28 into the number 28, and then this gets put inside the variable message 1. So then this turns into the number 28. In the third instruction, we see if message 1 is greater than 14, we look inside. So what that means is if whatever is inside message 1 is greater than 14, do this. So then the computer looks inside message 1 and it finds the number 28. 28 is larger than 14, so then it displays you're old, bro. So let's make this a little bit more complicated. Wait, how are we doing with time? No, we'll continue. Let's move straight to the last one. Oh no, to the second one. First instruction, it says equal sign, look to the left, message 1, input, so it knows we're displaying something. How old are you? Is what we're displaying. I answer with 28. Then 28, the word 28 is put inside message 1. So then we go to the second one. There's the same program, the same instruction here. It just turns the word 28 into number 28. And first one says if message 1 is greater than, whatever is inside message 1 is greater than 14. So we look inside message 1 and we find 28. And it is greater than 14, so we display. So then we do this. You're old, bro. So you're old, bro. Then we move on to the fourth instruction. We see if message 1 is equal to 14. So that means if whatever is inside message 1 is the number 14, then do this. But when we look inside message 1, we find the number 28. So this doesn't happen. Okay? And finally, the big boy. Let's say I'm gonna pretend to be like your younger brother or something. So I'm not 28 in this example. I don't know, say 10. So the first instruction, same thing, equal sign input. So displays how old are you? I answer 10 instead because let's just pretend I'm 10 here. So then the answer 10, the word 10 is put inside message 1 here. The word 10. Then in the second one, it turns the word into a number. So now it's number 10. If message 1 is greater than 14, whatever is it. So if whatever is in message 1 is greater than 14, so we look inside message 1 and we find 10, right? So this is not true, so this doesn't happen. So we move on to the next one. It says if message 1 is equal to 14. So if whatever is inside message 1 is the number 14. So we look inside message 1, the computer looks inside message 1, sees 10. 10 is not the number 14, so we don't do this either. We don't do this either. So then we move on to the fifth instruction. It says if message 1 is less than 14, if whatever is in message 1 is less than 14, we look inside message 1 and we find the number 10, and 10 is less than 14, so we do this. Print, what are you, baby? What are you, a baby? Cool. All right. So we'll leave it at that.